Hi guys. One second, I'm waiting for Usman to join in. Usman, can you send me the request? Sorry, I just realized that I have gone live. Okay, one second. Let's go live with. There we. Hi Usman.
Assalamu alaikum, Momna. How are you doing?
Assalamu alaikum. Azadi Mubarak.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. आपका इंटरनेट कनेक्शन को थोड़ा सा खराब लग रहा है मुझे.
Yeah, I
Hello?
think can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. Now you're
Okay,
fine.
good.
What's up?
Good. You tell, how are you doing? How are you celebrating Independence Day?
Well, I mean, I'm in Lahore, so यहाँ पे बेहतर है कि आप घर में ही रहें.
Yeah.
Because the roads are going to be absolutely insane in about like another 20-30 minutes. And bas
Yeah.
phir, yeah, so
Yeah,
Azadi is,
absolutely.
for us, is always at home. Always at home.
I actually went outside last night. It was just the roads were filled. There was traffic everywhere, so I just kind of turned back.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's the best to do. Like, I just do not 13th and 14th August. I don't leave the house. मैं तो बिल्कुल घर से निकलती नहीं हूँ. It's like आज किसी ने मिलना है, किसी ने आना है, मेरे घर आ जाओ. खुद धक्के खा
Yeah.
जाओ. मैं नहीं कर रही.
Yeah.
Okay, so Usman, like I'm very excited about your new show, and I wanted
Thank
to
you.
talk to you a little bit about the show and the premise of the show. और हम कुछ questions audience से भी लेंगे जहाँ पे हैं. So guys,
Okay,
अपने
perfect.
आपको questions हो regarding क्या नाम है उस्मान का नया ड्रामा जो माहिरा खान और कुबरा खान के साथ आ रहा है जिसका नाम है हम कहाँ के सच्चे थे. So if you have any questions regarding that, आप भेजें. अच्छा, now tell me Usman, like before we get into the actual discussion, कि मुझे
Yeah.
कोई fun anecdote सुनाए recording से. माहिरा वापस ड्रामों में 6 साल बाद आ रही है. So what was it
जी.
like? Like I would want like एक anecdote, एक funny कोई story मजे की backstage बताएं मुझे माहिरा के साथ और एक कुबरा के साथ.
I mean, माहिरा के साथ एक incident हुआ था. I actually accidentally stole her AirPods. It's very strange
Are these
because
hers or are they yours?
so me and Mahira have the same AirPods, these ones,
Ah.
and so Mahira loves leaving things on set. She just loves she forgets her phone, she'll forget like her AirPods, she'll forget anything like her speaker wire, like she just leaves these things.
That's so
So
funny.
one day I just went into like change and I mean the shoot got done that day, so hum log nikal rahe the, so I got out and I saw AirPods lying on the table. So I said, okay, I'll just put my AirPods in my bag and then I'll leave. So I put the AirPod in my bag and I left. I think the next day everybody started calling, oh, Mahira's losing her AirPods and everything. I said, man, मेरे पास तो मेरे AirPods हैं और मैं वो, and they're like, oh, we don't know where Mahira's AirPods went, everything. And every time I'd open mine, I could see my AirPods name. So I was like, okay, these are mine. 2, 3 days later, these guys are really stressed out about this because Myra's lost her AirPods.
AirPods.
Yeah. So I have this big backpack that I take to the shoot that has like, my water bottle, my food and everything in it. So usme one day like I just had my scenes that day and I was like we were doing car scenes and stuff. So they were setting up the camera, they were putting the camera mount on the car. So I had some time, so I was like, okay, I'll charge my AirPods. So I opened my bag and I reached in and I'm just like, but my AirPods were in my ear. So I just reached out and I found like this little dubby and I took it out and I opened them and they're like AirPods in it. And I'm like, but my AirPods are in my ear. So I'm like, oh. So then I called everybody. I said, man, I think I have Mahira's AirPods. And then it became a set that please hide your belongings when Usman comes on set.
Usman comes.
Yeah,
नहीं,
yeah,
क्या
yeah.
Kenya
But I
में
felt
था?
so bad afterwards.
Did anybody believe you there was an honest mistake? या तो लगता है कि अंदर से उनको अभी भी लगता है कि
I
शायद
actually I still have no idea. Babar and I have like now become like one of those girls. Babar's my chotu, and we kind of try to see what expensive things who has brought on set. So
हाँ,
we kind of yeah. But I mean yeah, it was an honest mistake because I felt so bad after that. Like 2 3 days, I kept saying I'm so sorry. I didn't know these but yeah,
that is actually a really funny story.
yeah.
अच्छा, किसी का क्वेश्चन आया है, आमिना पूछ रही हूँ, उस्मान सर यू आर डूइंग सो गुड इन हम कहाँ किस, अच्छा दिस इज कमेंट, आई थॉट को क्वेश्चन आया है. अच्छा,
Yeah.
ओके, नाउ कुबरा के साथ को मजे की बताओ, देन वील गेट इनटू द प्रेमिस ऑफ द शो एंड बात करेंगे थोड़ी सी शो किस बारे में है, क्या टॉपिक है, क्या, और हम आज की आज की दुनिया में हम किस तरह से इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को आगे लेके चल सकते हैं.
Kubra, though, I mean, I think Kubra's like a boy on set. Like she's our like, and I mean, we always play games during like, when we have
हाँ,
time between scenes. So we played a lot of Monopoly Deal and we played a lot of
वो आई
Sequence.
लव
And
मोनोपोली डील.
yeah. So Kubra is really good at losing at Monopoly Deal. So yeah. Kubra, if you ask Kubra, she will deny it. But yeah, categorically, like, so one day
हैव
we
यू
were playing
गाइस
in the
प्लेड कटान?
university. Yes, but
कटान
Cobra is
खेली है?
good at Catan.
I
Cobra is
love
good at
Catan. I'm
Catan.
very good at
Yeah,
Catan. उस पे तो
yeah,
I
yeah.
like am a real genius at Catan.
Yeah, Cobra and Gohar kind of introduced me to Catan. I had no idea. So
It's a
these
great,
guys are good at Catan, but
yeah, but amazing. Acha, okay, so that she likes to lose on set.
no, I mean she tries to win. It's just that it's difficult for her to win at Monopoly Deal and Sequence.
Who's the best player?
And Monopoly Deal and Sequence me.
Okay, and
On
Catan
set,
is her
on set.
on
Yeah,
set. Uh,
yeah.
uh,
So yeah, I mean it was fun. It's a really fun set, honestly speaking. Like there are no hang-ups. We're all like a family. Everybody's joking around. Farooq bhai, it's so much fun working with him. It's it's literally like one of the days हम लोग एक दिन काम कर रहे थे और फारूक भाई नहीं आए because उनकी तबीयत नहीं ठीक थी. तो पूरा दिन we were like, oh, something's missing because Farooq Bhai has this thing while he's directing, he also tells such funny stories and he loves joking around on set.
uh,
So, it's so much fun. And then Shamim Hilale and then Zainab ZQ and then my mother, Huma Nawab. It was a lot of fun.
I'm
Yeah.
sure like the cast looks like a lot of fun. So like I was like मैं पूछूंगी क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा बहुत मजा आता है जब even मैं पारेहाट लव का कर रही थी तो मैं उनसे भी
Yeah.
मैंने पूछा कि मुझे BTS बताओ क्या क्या हुआ because that's where the fun is everything that's
Yeah.
happening on वहाँ की stories are my like I love hearing and मुझे बहुत मजा आता है
Absolutely.
सुनने का.
Absolutely.
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन आया, काफी रेलेवेंट और पर्टिनेंट क्वेश्चन
Yeah.
है कि किसी ने लिखा है यहाँ पे, सॉरी मैं भूल गई हूँ किसने भेजा था. हाँ, फिजा ने पूछा है, फिजा खान पूछ रही है कि हाउ इज हम कहाँ के सच्चे थे डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर ड्रामाज. सो अभी तक जो बाकी ड्रामे चल रहे हैं उनसे थोड़ा सा, आई मीन इसका प्रेमिस में हमने थोड़ा सा कल डिस्कस किया था, तो आप थोड़ा सा और जरा इलैबोरेट करके मुझे बताएं ताकि एवरीबॉडी एल्स कैन आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड एंड देन वी विल टेक द कन्वर्सेशन फॉरवर्ड.
It's different in a way that ये एक थोड़ी सी different चीज को it's addressing कि आप जब छोटे होते हैं you're unbiased, you're unaffected, आप you're not corrupted, and then you know everything depends on how your elders kind of bring you up.
Of course.
ठीक है. और हमारे अक्सर कल्चर्स में ये होता है कि कोई बोलेगा कि अच्छा तुम्हारा फला रिश्तेदार ठीक नहीं है, उससे ना मिला करो, वो ठीक नहीं है क्योंकि उनकी अपनी कोई वो होती है उनके साथ, and so you then it really depends on your parents कि आप किस तरीके से उनको बड़ा करते हैं and how do they get corrupt in the process or no? Do they grow up to get like have biases? वो बड़े होते हैं with hating somebody, you know, developing certain kind of like, you know, feelings for somebody, और ये वो, so it really, ये जो ड्रामा है, ये इस सब के बारे में है कि आप बचपन से बड़ा होने तक का जो सफर है वो कितना आसान या कितना मुश्किल हो सकता है, डिपेंडिंग कि किस तरीके से आप, आपके माँ बाप ने आपकी तरबियत की है, या
तो
आपके आसपास के जितने।
देखो उस्मान, आई मीन इतना रेलेवेंट बात है ना, क्योंकि हम
Yeah,
जब भी पैदा होने से लेके अब तक और सारी उम्र एंड तक ऐसा लाइक जनरेशनल ट्रॉमास होते हैं जो आप कैरी करते हो, लाइक जनरेशन टू जनरेशन टू
बिल्कुल
जनरेशन। कलोनियल, जैसे कहते हैं कि कलोनियल ट्रॉमा, आई थिंक हमारी जनरेशन भी नहीं निकली और अगली भी बहुत जनरेशन उस कलोनियल ट्रॉमा से
बिल्कुल
नहीं निकलेंगे, बिकॉज वो
बिल्कुल
वही कहानियां आपको बताई जाती हैं, फिर आपका एक नैरेटिव उसके हिसाब से बनता है, फिर आपके वो एक प्रेजुडिस आ जाता है। उसी तरह से आई
बिल्कुल
फील कि आप वही बात कर रहे हैं कि लाइक बचपन से लेके अब तक जितनी आपकी जो अपब्रिंगिंग है, नेचर और नर्चर की बात आ गई ना, कि आप सोशियोलॉजी के अंदर
बिल्कुल
देखें तो दो टर्म्स होते हैं, नेचुरली हर बंदे की इंक्लिनेशन होती है टुवर्ड्स लव, टुवर्ड्स एक ओपन माइंड होता है, और फिर नर्चर उसको मोल्ड करना शुरू करता है, उस नर्चर के अंदर आपके बायसेस भी बनते हैं, आपकी लाइक्स डिसलाइक्स। सो फिर उसके अंदर फिर जब आप की अपनी कॉन्शियसनेस आ जाती है, तो फिर एक एक स्ट्रगल होती है अपने आप के साथ कि मैं किस चीज को बिलीव करता हूँ, मुझे क्या चीजें सिखाई गई हैं और क्या चीजें मुझे वो हैं जो मेरे पेरेंट्स के या मेरी फैमिली के या मेरे फ्रेंड्स के या मेरे टीचर्स के ट्रॉमास थे, या मेरे हमारे हिस्ट्री के ट्रॉमास हैं जो मैं लेके आगे जा रहा हूँ।
बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली।
तो उसके अंदर आई फील कि बहुत ही एक लाइक पर्टिनेंट टॉपिक है जिसपे ये ड्रामा आ रहा है, लाइक इन अ वेरी सटल मैनर, लाइक आई मीन इट्स समथिंग दैट हर, आई थिंक यहाँ पे हमारे पास जितने लोग हैं वो सब इस बात को अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं, लाइक हर किसी से आप बात करोगे तो वो जरूर बताएंगे कि भी हम किस तरह से बड़े हुए और हम लोगों को क्या क्या चीजें लेके आगे आनी पड़ी बिकॉज ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स एंड बिकॉज ऑफ
या
आवर
एब्सोल्युटली।
या।
और ये मुझे लगता है हर घर की कहानी है ये, खाली इधर ना मेरी ना आपकी, इट्स एवरीवेयर। हम लोगों को एक तो हमारे कल्चर में ये बहुत कॉमन है कि बच्चा कुछ करे तो उसको मारो, या
हाँ
यू नो, एंड आई थिंक वो बहुत गलत चीज है, बच्चे को मारना नहीं चाहिए, यू नो। और इस तरह की बहुत चीजें हैं हम लोगों को, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि ये स्कूल्स में भी होना चाहिए कि किसी तरीके से आपको बताना चाहिए कि यू नो हाउ टू raise children, you know,
या
because nobody has a booklet where it says कि oh, this is the right way and this is the wrong way, you know।
या
तो आपको पता नहीं है तो हम तो, because everybody is new to it, so we just go with the flow, but उसमें हम लोगों को ये भी नहीं समझ आती कि जो हम बातें करते हैं बच्चों के सामने किसी के बारे
हाँ।
में, वो बच्चे को कैसे अफेक्ट करेंगी, you know।
अच्छा,
So yeah।
और क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं कि आपके कैरेक्टर, अयूब के कैरेक्टर की क्या खूबियां हैं?
अयूब के कैरेक्टर की खूबियां तो मैं नहीं बयान कर सकता, लेकिन इस जो असवद है उसकी बहुत, मैंने जिस तरीके से परसीव किया असवद को, असवद हैज अ लॉट ऑफ लेयर्स। वो वो बचपन से बहुत छोटा था जब उसकी वालिद का इंतकाल हो गया था, और वो बड़ा हुआ है, उसकी माँ ने उसको बड़ा किया है। वो अक्सर तौर पे खवातीन के अंदर बड़ा हुआ है, उसकी कजन्स फीमेल थी, उसकी यू नो उसकी जो नानी है वो, और उसके बाद वो बहुत यंग एज पे बाहर चला गया, वहां पे उसने पढ़ाई की, फिर नौकरी शुरू कर दी। तो वो अ, किसी हद तक फैमिली पॉलिटिक्स और उनसे बहुत दूर रहा है, और मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं उसकी वालिदा ने भी बहुत उसको हेल्प की इस चीज से, बिकॉज आई मीन अगर आप इस ड्रामे को देखेंगे, एंड आई कांट रिवील अ लॉट, अगर कोई
ऑब्वियसली आगे तो
15-20 एपिसोड्स हो चुकी होती तो आई कुड हैव टोल्ड मोर अबाउट द इंटायर वो, बट उसकी वालिदा ने भी उसको बहुत प्रोटेक्ट किया मुझे लगता है इन चीजों से, बिकॉज इफ यू सी द ड्रामा, हिज मदर इज, आई थिंक, one of the very few characters who are sane in the drama, who kind of understand what's happening and what's going on, you know। So she kind of, along the way, she knew what was happening in the house, in the family, and I think at some point she also protected him a lot from all of that. So he is not as affected as Marine or Mashal,
Okay.
which is Myra's character and Kubra's character. But he does start getting affected afterwards by Mashal, by what he hears from her.
I think एक second, guys, like Usman. हाँ. Sorry, Usman, your connection was a bit weak, so
Yeah,
I
I
think
know.
I lost
I
you.
just I just got a call, so I just canceled it. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, no wonder.
Yeah.
Okay. अच्छा, uh, अब एक और मैं question ढूंढ. अच्छा, हाँ, yeah, somebody's written, how did this script approach Usman, and what was the one thing that made you do this drama? Okay, this we've done. अच्छा, किसी ने पूछा है कि ये novel से किस तरह different है? Are there, because I mean usually when adaptations होती है तो उसके अंदर जो original work होता है वो adapt होके थोड़ा changes आते हैं उसके अंदर. So in this, how do you feel? I think किसी का सवाल था इधर कि are there any differences between the two?
Absolutely. There are a lot of differences from the novel and the actual drama. The novel was actually written, I think, 12-13 साल पहले, और वो I think इस time के लिए appropriate नहीं था बनाना. वो काफी थोड़ा सा उसमें काफी problems थी. तो हम सब ने जब हम लोगों ने sign up भी किया था, तो Mahira and me, we talked for a long time. We said कि these are the things that I'm not comfortable doing. And
Yeah.
Mahira told her reservations, and we discussed it with Umaira, we discussed it with Nina. और उसके बाद काफी चीजें चेंज हुई, बहुत चीजें चेंज हो गई. नॉवल से काफी हद तक नहीं है ये सिमिलर, मतलब काफी डिफरेंट है.
काफी डिफरेंट है. प्रेमिस
Yeah,
उधर
and
से, it's a career adaptation, यानी कि प्रेमिस उधर से है और फिर उसके अंदर स्टोरी में चेंजेस आते हैं.
the characters are the same, mostly the structure of the story is the same, but a lot of things are different.
Okay, the approach is different to it, to the same topic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and I feel that kind of happens as well when you have you anything that you make, every director brings their own flavor to the ये तो मतलब it's तो फारूक भाई का अपना वो है, and then everybody has a vision, तो वो काफी चीजें change हुई हैं, but yeah, I mean it's mostly the same story, but the approach I think is different.
Is different. यहाँ पे किसी ने लिखा है, कमेंट किया है, थैंक गॉड इस ड्रामे में आपकी भी शादी होगी, बिकॉज इन एवरी ड्रामा आपके साथ जो होता है उसकी शादी हो जाती है.
Yeah, this is a big joke that मैं जिसके साथ आता हूँ उनकी शादी हो जाती है. भैया
थोड़ा इस पे जरा लाइट शेड करेंगे.
मैं तो कहता हूँ, मुझे तो आज तक खुद नहीं, मैं I'm actually still trying to figure out, do I have this special ability that if I come with somebody तो उनकी शादी हो जाती है, but everybody also on the set used to joke about this. तो हाँ, so it's I think let's see. Now we have to wait and see if Mahira or Kubra get married. If they do, then I'll be convinced.
Then
I'll
you'll
be convinced that yeah.
Then you have that.
फिर मुझे
काम करो, उसकी असल लाइफ में शादी हो जाएगी. ड्रामे में होए ना होए.
Yeah, absolutely.
Clearly, like now we find out that you are getting married.
So I've gotten our nikahs done, but I think the main, because even when we were getting the nikah done, it was during lockdown, and it was like I think the third wave or something. So a lot of our family couldn't come, like a lot of my cousins and my and her. So what we're doing now is we're trying to figure out dates this year, when hopefully inshallah by the end of the year. But we're trying to figure out dates, what would be a good date to do it, because the COVID situation is just very unpredictable.
No, बहुत unpredictable, and you have to be very careful as well, because a dangerous place for.
Yeah, absolutely.
If काफी बहुत ज़्यादा, it's looking quite deadly, and even vaccinated लोगों को हो रहा है,
बिल्कुल हो रहा है.
Like transmission rate अब बढ़ गया है, so one needs to be careful.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
absolutely.
For sure. Acha, okay, so continuing on, before we end our live, I wanted to ask you a few things. Like one thing that I wanted to, I think, and I'll also share, like कि ये preconceived notions पे हम बात कर रहे थे कि like पूरे ड्रामे का premise भी यही है. ऐसा कोई like there's this tussle जब आप बड़े होने शुरू होते हो, जब आपकी अपनी consciousness आती है और आपको अपना एक you're trying to find your own path, and you start, I guess, understanding the world and life and what the meaning of life is. there are a lot of things that you start breaking away from, and it's a major struggle for people.
Yeah.
Can you tell some apart? Because I mean, I've been feeling that way a lot recently, and I have been working towards it as well. But is there any point in your life where you felt that, okay, you know, these are things that are not truly mine, and I'm carrying this trauma because it's been there generationally?
Absolutely.
Would you,
Absolutely.
if you are comfortable, would you like to share an experience and about how you kind of got over it, and what was that preconceived thing that you had?
So the thing is, I mean, there's a lot of stuff like, I mean, you know, even you in the family, like, you know, there's a lot like, oh, don't talk to him, they're not good, don't go to their house, you know, all of that. But the biggest thing that I feel is that I when I was growing up, I wanted to be a filmmaker. I didn't want to be an actor. I didn't want to be, you know, a lawyer. I didn't want to be, you know, a doctor. I wanted to be a director. I wanted to direct movies. And my family was strictly against it. And 8 years, there was just this very, you know, this friction where they didn't want me to do this, and I was like, this is what I want to do, you know. And I stuck by it. I mean, there were times when I would think, okay, maybe I should, मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए, maybe I should listen to you know, them, and I should do, because my father wanted me to become a lawyer, and I was like, maybe I should do it even though I don't like. But yeah, I mean, you know, even though like my father had once produced a movie back in, I think the 60s or something, but I mean, again, like, it was just, so yeah, I mean, these kind of things do happen. I don't know why. Maybe he had a bad experience, or he didn't want, I don't know. But I mean, it's just it's just there, you know. And I feel like we as you know, as parents, people really try to you know, tell their kids what they want them to become. They don't let their kids go like, okay, be who you want to be, you know.
Yeah.
You know, you should learn from it. Be a good parent. Tell them what's right and what's wrong. But don't force them to be somebody that they're not, you know. अगर वो नहीं बनना चाहते लॉयर, या अगर वो नहीं बनना चाहते डॉक्टर, तो उनको मत फोर्स करें. वो सारी जिंदगी वो ट्रॉमा उनके साथ रहेगा. वो कभी भी उससे वो नहीं हो पाएंगे. They'll regret it for the rest of their lives. कि मैं नहीं बनना चाहता था डॉक्टर, मैं नहीं बनना चाहता था, मैं ये करना चाहता, मुझे नहीं करने दिया. And that, by the way, वो फिर वो अपने शायद बच्चे के साथ यही करे कि मेरे बाप ने मुझे नहीं करने दिया था, मेरी माँ ने मुझे नहीं करने दिया था, तो मैं. आई फील कि ये चीजें हम लोगों को सीखनी चाहिए.
No, I agree with you, and I think कि for me, मेरे लिए सबसे जो चीज है कि आपको जो concept of good and bad सिखाया जाता है, कि चीजों के ऊपर labeling का, you know, कि क्या चीज like black and like becomes very black and white rather than teaching you the grays in between. And I think कि adult आपको समझ आना शुरू हो जाता है कि okay, like there are circumstances, हर चीज एक perception है, हर चीज के पीछे एक intention है, और जब तक वो intention आपको like you have to reach the things are not as black and white as you have been taught that they are. And I think वो एक struggle आती है आपके अंदर बचपन से लेके अब as in when you, especially I feel like when you hit your 30s, तो आपकी ये, because 20s I feel like you're still kind of finding yourself, and in your 30s you really start to feel comfortable and be very relaxed and be like, okay, you know, I'm after I don't care about कि दुनिया क्या मुझे बोल रही है, या कोई गालियां निकाल रहा है, या कुछ कर रहा है, या उनका क्या ओपिनियन है. आपको रियलाइज उनका ओपिनियन, उनका अपना ट्रॉमा है, आपसे रिलेटेड ही नहीं है ये बात. और आपको बचपन से बताया था कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. लोगों ने तो, आई मीन, यू रियलाइज कि लोग तो बोलेंगे, आप अच्छा करो बुरा करो, कुछ हर कोई आपको एक अपने ट्रॉमा के थ्रू देख रहा है और अपने एक एक्सपीरियंस के थ्रू देख रहा है. तो आई थिंक ये बहुत लाइक, आई मीन, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस ड्रामा, एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी I would not say noble, but like it's a very important discussion to have, कि एक conversation spark करे एक चीज कि भाई, और ये सिर्फ ये बात है कि पाकिस्तान में, ये वर्ल्ड ओवर है. This is something nature nurture की एक बात है जो हर सोसाइटी में किसी ना किसी तरीके से आपको जरूर पाई जाएगी. It's not कि ओ कि कोई बहुत लिबरेट मुल्कों में या बहुत लिबरेटेड सोसाइटीज के अंदर ये चीजें नहीं होती, उनके अंदर अपने तरीके से ये हो रहा है. सो आई थिंक ये ह्यूमन कंडीशन का एक पार्ट है कि आप अपनी कंडीशनिंग आगे देते हो, फिर वो ब्रेक करते हो. आई थिंक वही एक दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ लाइफ, बिकॉज हर किसी की स्ट्रगल अपने आप के साथ ही.
बिल्कुल, absolutely.
Take one more question before we sign off.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if there is, what is another. Okay, someone has asked, it's Binu who's asking, your first impression of Mahira, and has it changed after spending so much time with her on set?
You know, actually, I had never met Myra before this drama. We talked, but I'd never met her. And I somehow thought कि कहीं ना कहीं तो, she's going to be a little, she's going to be herself. Like, she's going to be a celebrity. She's going to be a star. Because I remember the first day I had started shooting, Myra was supposed to start after 2 days. So I remember, I think one of her team, one of the people from her team came on set, Mustafan. So I said, okay, maybe that's how it works. Myra comes when the scene starts and everything. And when Myra came, man, I honestly feel I have so much respect for her. She's a masi on set. She has no tantrums. She will sit on the floor. I have never seen anybody eat fries with French fries. No, I've never seen anybody eat rice with French fries. She puts French fries inside rice, and like she's so like genuine, honestly speaking. Like, she will help anybody out. She will sit on the floor. She will do whatever. Like, she's like, she never pretends to be somebody that she's not. She's always herself, and that's something that I really respect about her.
No, I think that's something very authentic about Mahira, because like I remember I mean, I've met her many times, like socially be, work-wise be, but I remember कि उसकी जब movie आ रही थी 7 दिन मोहब्बतें, and we had I had multiple interviews in a go. So वो सारी cast आई one by one. So Mahira came, she came a little earlier, and I was still in recording. So when the recording stopped कराई, like my studio didn't have any seats or anything, so it was just the set, and बाकी सारा carpeted area था. So she just said चुप करके कि तुम अपना करती रहो, मैं पीछे से ना. She just walked behind my entire team and in the window, and she sat like on the floor. I even have a picture of her just huddling like this, just because इतनी जगह नहीं थी उधर. वो आती नहीं मेरे इधर ही बैठना है, तो बाहर जगह है, तुम बैठ नहीं. I want to sit inside. I want to see what's going on. तो the corner में बैठी, कोई नखरा नहीं, कोई. So you know that like there's something really wonderful about her. So I guess that's
absolutely.
But thank you so much, Usman, for taking out the time. I know आज छुट्टी का दिन है और हर कोई.
No, thank you so much for having.
But it was a pleasure having you on, and hopefully you get to meet each other.
Inshallah.
Have a conversation in the studio.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Thank you so much, Momna. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Usman. It was lovely. And enjoy the rest of your day, and hopefully we'll see you soon. And stay safe.
Okay.
Bye.
Stay safe. Bye.
Okay, guys, so that was our live with Usman Mukhtar. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned to MMP for more stuff. We have like some really interesting things coming up. Until next time, take care. Bye.